Our outlook on life can change any given day, any given moment to go from pessimism to optimism. I always say going from fear to faith. And when I say faith, I don't mean religion. I just mean faith, hope, something good's going to happen to me. I can just as easily say that today, or I can wake up and say, oh, today's going to be a horrible day. Our ego wants to be right. So we have to be careful with those negative thoughts. I'm afraid today's not going to be a good day. So sometimes we'll state our fears as facts. And we really need to watch over that type of thinking because our fears are not facts. Hopefully, what is a fact is we have the ability to create the life that we want. And we definitely have to overcome the fears in order to become more faith based, meaning something good's going to happen to me. Be optimist. Something is I'm hopeful that good things are going to happen or this is all going to work out. And I can easily say that, or I can say nothing's ever going to work out for me. We don't know either one of those statements could be true because the truth is we don't know. And our ego doesn't like to not know. So oftentimes we'll fill in the blanks with the negative, unfortunately, when we can just as easily fill in the blanks with the positives. When we fill in the blanks with the positives, sometimes people will say, oh, you're a Pollyanna or rainbows and butterflies and unicorns. I'd rather have rainbows and butterflies and unicorns in my life than negativity and clouds and darkness and sadness. So we can choose to believe the good. And, sometimes we'll get halfway there. Sometimes we'll get all the way there. And sometimes bad things happen. Yet from an optimistic perspective, we're better able to cope with that and emotionally regulate through negative emotions instead of believing something bad's going to happen. A pessimistic attitude or view really defeats our spirit and psychologically causes a lot of symptoms. So we're best to start looking at how do I become more optimistic because being optimistic makes me feel good. It minimizes symptoms. It lessens anxiety. It lessens depressive episodes. Having that type of optimistic thinking is the way to go. It's definitely a key to success to be emotionally regulated, psychologically mature, and emotionally intelligent.